WordPress. Best free themes and useful plugins. WordPress is the world's most popular and best publishing platform. I personally use it for all my blogs. I started using WordPress in 2008. There are probably thousands of themes and layouts available for WordPress, as well as various plugins for different purposes. In this video, I'll show you the theme and plugins I use in WordPress. Actually, I only use one free theme these days, which is because it's lightweight, SEO-friendly and adapts well to mobile screens. This theme is Schema Lite. The theme is not the most spectacular in the world, but it gets the job done. Other SEO-friendly WordPress themes are Astra, Divi, Gutenshop, Neve, Blogist, Hestia, Multifox, Elegant Pink, Gutenix and so on. However, I have no experience with these themes. There are many other SEO-friendly and great themes. Personally, I usually use at least the following plugins as add-ons, which are all free. Yoast SEO. I use the free version. Akismet Anti-Spam. Better search replace. Insert post ads. Instant indexing. Use any font. Yoast SEO is a very useful add-on, and even a free version helps to get your blog ranked higher in Google search results. This is closely related to choosing the right keywords. Akismet Anti-Spam fights spam comments. Better search replace replaces any string in your WordPress SQL database. This is very useful if for some reason you need to make a specific and identical change to all your WordPress articles. The Insert Post Ads add-on allows you to insert the desired content between paragraphs. For example, you can easily insert an ad after the third paragraph in every article on your site. Instant indexing. This is a plugin that allows you to get your website pages indexed faster in Google's index. Use any font. As the name suggests, this add-on allows you to change your blog's font to another one. Below this video are links to all these add-ons and the schema theme. Thanks for watching the video.